Next, adverb phrase. So here what is an adverb phrase means one or more words works together to give more information about an adverb. So here adverb phrase modifies the noun. So here how the adverb will come? Adverb or preposition plus adverb plus a noun, or adverb plus word, or adverb plus modifier, or we can write preposition plus noun, or preposition plus verb, or preposition for modifier. So here example, we managed to find out the way through the woods. So this through the woods, it has nothing but it has a adverb phrase. So here they ran really fast. So these are nothing but adverb. So how they are ran really fast. So this comes under adverb phrase. Now this adjective phrase. So here it performs the work of an adjective in a sentence. So here may use preposition or in participle to perform the work in the an adjective. So here adjective phrase can be written as adjective plus other modifiers. So here the table beautifully curved by hands. So here beautifully, so is an adjective. Other modified is carved by hand is a other modifier. So here now in this example, the rumors that are the silliest tend to travel. So here the rumors are, so here rumors that are the silliest trend to travel, that are comes under adjective, and other modifiers trend to travel, that all comes under this adjective phrase. Now preposition phrase. Okay, preposition phrase. So a preposition phrase begins with a preposition and it is followed by a noun or noun phrase. It functions either an adjective or an adverb. The same phrase may function as an adverb or an adjective depend upon the context, means depend upon the sentence. So here preposition, first we discuss about what preposition. So here I will meet you at noon. So here it is a preposition. So the dress in the shop, so in is the preposition. Now next, so here the same phrases may function as an adverb or adjective depend upon the content. We said no, we met some people from Delhi. So here adjective function modifies people. So here met people from where? From Delhi. So here is the adjective preposition. So here the excursion started from Delhi. So here started is an adverb. So here adverb functions modified started. So thank you.